Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. Looking to shrink stubborn belly fat? Start your day with this simple morning drink backed by real science. This fat burning drink combines warm water, lemon juice, a dash of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It's not magic, it's metabolism science. Lemon boosts digestion and insulin sensitivity. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found citrus polyphenols reduced abdominal fat in obese mice. Lemon polyphenols reduced belly fat, JCBN 2017. Apple cider vinegar improves satiety and lowers insulin spikes. A 2009 study in bioscience, biotechnology, and biochemistry showed people who drank it daily lost more visceral fat. Apple cider vinegar reduced waist size and body fat. BB 2009. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. A meta-analysis in Annals of Family Medicine 2013 found it significantly reduced fasting blood glucose and cholesterol. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar, ANFAM-Med 2013. This combo may curb appetite, regulate hormones, and support fat loss, especially in the belly area. But remember, it works best alongside a healthy diet and movement. Drink it every morning before breakfast. Stay consistent. Your waistline will thank you. For a complete healing plan that targets inflammation and belly fat naturally, check out my book, Eat to Heal, available now on Amazon.